In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import and export contacts in Gmail in a simple step-by-step way. This is really useful if you want to back up your contacts, move them to a new device, or save them for use in another app like Outlook, Android, or iPhone. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. This will take you directly to Google Contacts, which is where Gmail stores and manages your contact list. Once the page loads, sign in using the Gmail account that contains the contacts you want to work with. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your contacts dashboard. Now you'll see your list of saved contacts. Before exporting, you need to choose which contacts you want to include. You can select them one by clicking the checkbox next to each contact. If you want to export several at once, keep checking the boxes for each contact you need. This is helpful if you only want to back up specific people instead of your entire list. After you've selected the contacts, look over to the right side of the screen and click the three dot icon. This opens the More Options menu for your selected contacts. From that menu, click Export. This will bring up the export settings where you can choose the file format that works best for your device or email app. Next, you'll see a few export format options. If you want a general file you can open in spreadsheets or import into many contact managers, choose CSV. If you're exporting specifically for Microsoft Outlook, choose CSV for Outlook only. If you want to move contacts to an Android phone or an iPhone, choose VCard, which is commonly supported on mobile devices. Pick the format that matches where you plan to use the contacts next. Once you've selected the format, click Export. Google will generate the file and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may save automatically to your Downloads folder, or your browser may ask you where you want to store it. After the download finishes, your contacts have been successfully exported and are ready to use wherever you need them. If you're importing contacts instead, the process is just as easy. On Google Contacts, you can use the import option to upload a CSV or VCard file and add contacts into Gmail. That makes it simple to move contact lists between accounts, devices, or apps without entering everything manually. And that's how to import and export contacts in Gmail. A fast, simple way to keep your address book backed up and organized. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.